Y bueno amigos, este video se trata sobre el Engine Compartment Passenger Side, el Engine Compartment del lado del pasajero. El Engine Compartment lo dividí en dos partes, el lado del pasajero y el lado del chofer. Entonces, este video se trata sobre el Engine Compartment del lado del pasajero. Presta mucha atención, estudia, memorízate y entiende muy bien dónde queda cada parte, porque vas a tener que identificar muy bien para el día del examen. Así que quédate y ahorita comenzamos.
We will continue with the pre-inspection of the bus. On this moment, we're gonna check the engine compartment, and we will start with the passenger side. Overall, of the engine compartment on this side, there is no cracks, loose, or any leak hoses. Coolant reservoir, secure mounted, no crack, no damage or leaking. Capping hoses are tight, secure, no leaks, normal level. Windshield washer fluid, secure mounted, no crack, no damage or leaking. No missing hardware, capping hoses secure, no cracks, no damage or leaking. Normal level. Alternator, secure mounted, no crack, no damage or leaking. No missing hardware, no loose. It's belt driven. The belt is secure, no crack, no damage, and no more than 3/4 inch plate. Water pump, not really visible, secure mounted, no crack, no damage or leaking. It is on the same belt as the alternator. The belt is secure, no crack or damage, and no more than 3/4 inch plate. The frame, no crack, no bent or broken, no weld. Shock absorber, secure mounted on top and bottom. There is no cracks or leaks. Lead spring, spring mounted and U-bolt secure mounted. No cracks, damage, no missing hardware. ABS line, secure, no cracks. Brake hose and brake chamber, secure mounted, no cracks, no damage or leaking, and no missing hardware. Push rod and slack adjuster, no cracks, no missing hardware. Slack adjuster, no more than 1 inch plate. Brake drum and brake lining, secure, no damage, no crack, no oil or greasy present. Lining at least 1 inch plate thick. Rim, inside and outside, no cracks, no dents, no illegal welds. Tire, inside and outside the tire, no cracks, no bubbles, no damage. Tire tread is at least for 30/2 of an inch. No recap and tire properly inflated as per manufacturer. Lug nuts are secure, tight, no cracks, loose or missing, and no rusted. Hub seal, secure mounted, no cracks, damage, leaking, no missing hardware. Air valve, no broken or leaking, and no missing cap. Now we will continue with the driver's side.
Bueno, este fue el Engine Compartment Passenger Side o del lado del pasajero. A continuación venimos con el Engine Compartment del lado del chofer, así que sigue la secuencia para que puedas comprender, entender y memorizarte todo este orden para que lo hagas muy bien en el día de tu examen. Nos vemos en el próximo video.